The federal government has announced that the demolition of buildings situated within the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road commenced today, Saturday. The Federal Controller of Works in Lagos State, Korede Keisha, disclosed this during a press briefing held in Lagos on Thursday. Keisha urged all residents whose houses have been earmarked for demolition to visit the ministry's secretariat in Lagos to address any necessary procedures required by the ministry. She stated that the demolition team would commence the removal of the marked properties on Saturday. Keisha said, "So this press briefing is just to create awareness for all those that may be involved or have one or two things to do along that project corridor. We've sent out demolition notices to as many as are within the right of way, and we are using this medium now to say that everyone that has a concern within that corridor and have been served, the secretariat is open to them from today, 3 p.m. We are welcoming them from today till tomorrow. Whatever you have to do along that axis, and then we've come to you and marked you down for demolition. We are asking that you see us at the secretariat from today till tomorrow evening."
They should leave the fence. Tell these army officers, they should leave the fence.
Hey, yes, how's everything?
Just see him.
Is it from
No, see him.